Hi, Mom. So, hi, everybody. So, she had another baby overnight, so now she's got 4 live babies. And we called the rescue place where we adopted her from. And I told the lady on the phone what happened, and she was like, oh my God! She was a little freaked out, so she wants us to bring the cat there, and they're gonna scan her chip and find out where it all started and see if they could figure out who dropped the ball. And they're gonna give us whatever we need for the kittens, and we're gonna foster the kittens, and they're gonna work with us, and they'll spay and or neuter the kittens when they're old enough, and they're gonna spay her too. So I'm assuming they would, since they owe us one. So that's where we're at today. So we're getting ready to go to the place. It's a little bit of a drive, not too bad, but yeah. Mommy, you're so pretty. Mommy, you're such a pretty girl. That's why you have babies. You're too pretty. So Mommy is taking a break from the kitties, so I thought I would show you each kitty close up now. This is that one. So sweet. And this is the youngest. This is the last one she had in the middle of the night. They look like little otters. Then there's this beauty right here. And there's this one, Mom's twin. Looks just like Mommy. So, you coming back, Mom? Did you get something to eat? Such a good girl. You're such a good kitty. You're so nice. You're such a good kitty. Such a good girl. There you go.
Madeline Soto's dad attend vigil 2 on it.
I saw that earlier. So here are some of the babies. This little baby right here does not want to eat from Mama. So I got it some formula, and it took a couple drops, but he just doesn't seem to want to eat, and I'm very worried. And Mom isn't rejecting him. But every time we come in here, if Mom is up, he's like way away from his siblings. It's almost like he's rejecting all of them. Like, he's just like, ugh, God, leave me alone. I don't know. If anybody knows what I can do to get this kitty to eat, let me know. I'm worried. They're so sweet. Mommy, everybody wants to see you and how your babies are doing. This little baby here just, I don't know, he don't want to eat. I'm worried. You're such a sweet mama. You're such a sweet mama. Mom, they're just the most beautiful babies. We got a little baby to eat a little bit. This little one that doesn't want to latch on to anything. guess I'm gonna Google that. The little kitty didn't make it. We tried to bottle feed it, but he just didn't want to take food from us or from the mom, so we think that just he wasn't meant to survive. Right, Eric? That's sad. So she lost 2 babies, but she still got 3, and the 3 she has are feeding vigorously, so. Hi, Mom. Hi. Oh, you're such a good mommy taking care of your babies. They're all so sweet. They're so sweet, Mommy. You're a good girl. Yes, you still love your rubs, don't you? You're a good girl. Just look at how adorable they are. Look at this little one. They're so cute. They're too much. I mean, there are a few things that bring joy like a kitten. Right, Mom? Right, Mommy? You're such a nice kitty. Yes, you are. So cute. So I don't remember if I said this earlier, but we did go out to the rescue where we adopted her from. And they are going to spay her for us after her kittens are weaned. And they're also going to spay and neuter, whichever is required, the kittens when they get old enough. And we're going to foster the kittens until they're old enough to leave mom. And I've already found a home for 2 of them, and I think we're going to keep one of them. Don't tell Eric. So, yeah. So, things worked out. Sweet babies. Sweet babies. Hi everyone, I'm Dawn. Welcome to my channel. We're at my alma mater where I attended university and in their nature trail area, and we're just gonna check it out. Thought I'd share it with you. We're not going on the eco adventure though. Spinnaker. Do we go that way? Do you remember how to get there?
Where are we trying to get?
The trail.
I don't think you go that way.
Oh, here we go. Look. We'll just go this way. See what happens. You don't think we go this way or that way? Okay. That's an old sign. You've got to, it says you got to run and walk in pairs because there are people out there who don't respect your privacy and will assault you because people suck. Should we go look at the water and then come walk on this?
Yes.
Okay. I was about to say it would be great if they had like a swimming pool or something for people here, but they don't. Look at all those turtles over there. Let's see if I can get them. They're right there. Can't see them. I can't get that close to them. Okay. Look at that nice stick. Oh, see, I could have seen the turtles good over here. They all went away. Something startled them. It was probably us. Which way shall we go, Eric? Are you playing Pokemon Go? What do you think by looking at the Pokemon Go map?
This way.
Okay.
Looks like it's a long way around there.
Going this way? Going this way is a long way around?
They're going that way.
Eric, have you watched the JoJo Siwa video yet?
No, I haven't.
Carmen's a bitch. I should have known better. I don't understand the grabbing at the crotch. I still don't understand that. Like people grabbing their crotch in video, like when they're dancing and stuff. Like, I don't understand. I mean, I'm not like offended by it or anything. I just don't understand. Why is that such a premium dance move? Which way are we going? This way? Right, this way? Okay. Okay. Is this considered a lake or a giant pond? Oh, look at him. Look at him over there. Look at that cool turtle. What kind of turtle is that, Eric? Do you know?
The snapping turtle.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got the stripes on his face. Eric, would you rather have hot dogs for fingers or one spring leg? Would you rather have hot dogs for fingers or one spring leg?
Probably one spring leg.
Yeah. Okay. No, they would just break, and then Brian would always be trying to eat your fingers. This is a pretty park, but it's a quick walk, so I thought we could stop here.
Knocked out.
Yeah. Why do people have their car pulled up to it? Oh, they changed this park a little bit. Hey, Brian. How do you feel about the kittens? Yeah. I still love you. You're my boy. You're my boy. You got a dirty face. You need a bath. You need a bath. So, Marshall is so sweet. So either him or Eric put my Bucky's blanket. They washed it and put it back down for Mom. And she likes laying right here by the couch. So they opened the recliner. I think Marshall probably opened the recliner so she could have a little shelter. And there she is. I don't know how well you can see the babies, but yeah, they're very happy in there. So sweet. Oh my goodness. I just can't. So cute.